local markets are starting the week mixed ahead of key mining and manufacturing prints. They'll give us insight on how those industries fared in the last quarter of 2025. Precious metals in the green, and that working in the bourse's favor today as well. And with that, we are seeing a mixed picture with the Resources 10 complex up 0.8%. Trading in the opposite direction, however, is the Industrial 25 losing 0.25%. The Financial 15 pretty flat, down 0.01%. Taking all of that into account, the ore share gaining close to 0.2%. Moving over to stateside, traders also seem to be in a wait-and-see mode. Trade quite choppy on that front as investors eye inflation and jobs data as well as another batch of earnings. And with that, we are seeing the Nasdaq really recovering today, up 0.3%. The S&P 500 up 0.1%, trading pretty flat, and in the red this evening is the Dow Jones losing 0.07%. Now, over in Europe, stocks mixed as well. Company results as well as a growth report out of the UK will remain in focus. And with that, we are seeing the FTSE 100, the only index in the red today, down 0.2%. In the meantime, we have the DAX making the biggest gains on that front, up close to 0.7%, and the French CAC 40 gaining 0.22%. Now let's move over to what's playing out in currency market. The local unit really faring better today, back under the 16 to the dollar mark against the dollar, which continues to trade softer. Dollar to the rand at 15.19, the pound to the rand at 21.72, and the euro to the rand at 18.94. Moving over to your other currency pairs. The euro to the dollar at 1.19, the pound to the dollar at 1.36, and the dollar-yen pair pretty strong on that front, trading above 155. The yen, of course, has been in focus on the back of that snap election where Prime Minister Takaichi won by a landslide.